Hello friends, welcome to Spider Themes. Today I'm going to show you how to install WordPress in 1 minute. First, go to Chrome and search for the official WordPress Studio developer site. You can download it for free on both Mac and Windows. Simply choose your processor type and the download will begin automatically within a few seconds. After downloading the file, open it and install the application in your Mac's Applications folder. The installation will only take a few seconds. Once completed, launch the app and grant any required permissions when prompted. Your WordPress app is set up and ready. From the main dashboard, you can create a new site or open the admin panel of an existing site. To create a new site, click Add Site, then select Create a New Site. Enter your site name and complete the setup. Within a few seconds, your new site will be ready to launch. And that's how you can install WordPress and set up your site in just 1 minute.